Hello. Today we will speak about racing seats and rails. How you choose the right rail for your car and racing seat. So this is the Recaro SR3. It's a racing seat. They call them semi-buckets, and this is a seat rail that supposed to be specially made for 350Z. So as you notice, the mountain points for the seats are here, these points, and when we go to the racing seats, the mountain points are down bottom, so they call them bottom mounting points. This is for semi buckets. If you will buy a full bucket seat, the mounting points will be here on the sides. So this one is specially made for the semi bucket seats. If you will buy rails that are made for the full bucket seats, the holes will be here. The steel will be tilted and the holes will be here to fit the sides of the racing seats. But as I said, this one is made for the semi buckets, or they call them reclining seats, and the mounting points are at the bottom. So let's see how it's fit. We'll take it and see, the points fits exactly where they are supposed to be, here and here. So the question is, if you decided to change the recline seat into a full bucket seat, would you need to buy another seat rail? No, because they sell a bracket that convert the semi bucket rails into full bucket rails. So you don't have to buy two seat rails if you want to change into full bucket seats in the future. So we will install this into the car and see how we can install it to the correct way. Those are the nuts that we will be using. Once you remove the bolt, put the seat in this position, so it's easy for you to start working and remove the plugs underneath the seat. Remove this, unplug it from this, and then you will have the seat belt sensor plug. Unconnect both, and then you can remove the seat. And don't forget to remove the main cables or wires from those brackets. So this, after removing the seat, this cable will remain. This will be for the seat belt sensor, and this will be where we will connect the resistor to trick the airbag. Well, I guess this is a collateral damage. So we will cut this wire from here, and we will solder it to the resistor and then hook it up to the car.